right, Mr. Sanchez, I just needed a couple of things cleared up because the court, well, I'm not the person who took this plea. You understand? You need to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
Sorry, yes, ma'am.
All right. So according to the plea bargain agreement, the state is asking that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. Did anyone want to speak to the length of community supervision, state,
Not to the state, we just feel it's appropriate, Your Honor.
defense?
Judge, I would just ask for it to be 4 years deferred, and I know that a fine wasn't listed in there. I would just, well, I'm stepping ahead a step, but he works as a cook at Pluckers. So he doesn't make all that much money. on asking maybe if the fine can be probated or be relatively low.
Okay. And what is the court cost in this case, please? All right, Mr. Sanchez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Zachary Isaiah Sanchez.
All right, so I've just been told by the clerk the court costs in this case. Will you be able to pay that over a period of time in installments?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you can't pay it, just let the court know. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then I have the MIC evaluation. Have everybody seen the mental health evaluation on this case?
I have, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Any input from either side?
No,
No.
Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Sanchez, it is saying here that you do need to be placed on the mental health caseload. Probation, based upon the nature of the offense, will mental health still accept him on their caseload?
We have employees on the SOMA unit that will assist him with these.
All right. So what I'll do then is I'll say the mental health sex offender unit. There's going to be 4 years deferred adjudication. Chapter 62 compliance. No contact with the complainant in the case. There should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a health care provider or with minors. There's a request for community service hours, but because of the nature of the offense, there's no community service hours available for you because no one has insurance to do that. You understand? There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
There are, the sex offender unit will take care of the field test as a field visit.
Yes.
There's nothing else.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? If there's something else you need, now's the time to let me know.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I think it's okay.
Nothing, Your Honor.
In a tense courtroom, a plea agreement reshapes a young man's future. Deferred adjudication, strict supervision, and mental health probation replace prison time. But when the victim speaks, emotion fills the room. Forgiveness clashes with pain, and the weight of family betrayal leaves the court in silence.
All right.
Thank the court.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Thank you. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right, you all have victim impact?
Yeah, it's on the Zoom.
All right, and is it the Garcia?
Yes.
Okay. And all right, Miss Garcia? No. The video is just not shown. All right, Miss Garcia, if you can unmute, please. All right, Miss Garcia, Mr. Sanchez is here.
Okay,
And you may proceed with your victim impact.
okay. It's going to be my daughter, Sadie.
All right.
Go ahead. I'm holding.
Zach, I don't know what to say. I could tell you that you ruined my life and how messed up I am. Or I could tell you I forgive you for what you did. I don't know how to feel. I'm angry. I'm angry because I didn't deserve what you did. You were supposed to be there to protect me. You were my family. Family doesn't do that. I needed you most when I was there. I thought I was safe, but I was wrong. Since that day, I've never been the same. I don't go out or wear shorts like I used to. I can't sleep and still have nightmares because of what you did. I can't stand when people touch me anymore, and I can't even let my 9-year-old brother touch me. You turned me into a person I never wanted to be. You turned me into someone who doesn't go to places, into someone who can't be alone in a crowd, into someone who can't stop shaking and who takes pills to be happy. I wish you could explain to me why you did what you did. You took my family away from me. My aunt doesn't want to look at me anymore, and my cousins don't believe or trust and can talk to me anymore. I kept it a secret for so long because I knew what my family would do. I understand that you are family, and I love you. I would never make something up like this. Why would I make something up like this? I knew as soon as I opened my mouth that my family would be gone and I would never be the same. You took everything from me, and yet I still forgive you. I forgive you for me to move on in life. I love you.
All right, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, if he'll just remain and speak with the probation officer. All right, thank you. All right, who's here on Christopher Lemire? Lemire? All right, where are we on this case?
We've got an agreement, he's gonna go to ISF.
All right, just one moment. Could I have the file stamp, please?
Judge.
Oh, no problem. Thank you. It's not a problem. Mr. Lemire? Is it Lemire or Lemire?
Lemire.
Lemire, we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2018 CR 0858, State of Texas versus Christopher Scott Lemire. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gary Chirac for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Lemire?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Why you're here in jail for violating your probation.
Okay, yes.
Well, no, here's the thing. This document states that you're on probation. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sure.
All right, do you know why you're here today?
Yes.
All right, so this document that I'm showing,
A negotiated plea brings 4 years of deferred adjudication, strict reporting, and mental health supervision. The judge carefully outlines conditions, no contact, employment restrictions, compliance requirements. Then comes the victim impact statement. Raw, heartbreaking, and deeply personal, her words transform a legal proceeding into a powerful moment of truth and accountability.
Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Um, Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Here's the thing, Mr. Lemire. If it's something that you don't understand, just let me know.
Okay,
So this document that I've shown you, did you review that with your attorney? All right. So if you all to step back and review it. Who's here on Philip Diller? Okay, we'll wait for him to come back. Thank you. Diana, is it going to be a Monday today?
Ready to announce on Malik Lamb? Yes, ma'am.
Malik Lampkin,
Morning, Your Honor.
where is he?
He's in the hospital. His mom communicated to me last night and again this morning that he's at behavioral hospital. She had sent some documentation before that he was at Methodist. This is the individual that was experiencing some mental health issues that was in and out of the
So do
hospital.
you have proof that he's currently in the hospital?
We're working on getting that, Judge. They said that they're gonna
Inside the courtroom, justice balances punishment with supervision. Community supervision terms are debated, mental health placement is ordered, and probation conditions are set. But the defining moment arrives when the victim speaks. Her voice, shaken yet forgiving, reveals lasting trauma, fractured family bonds, and the emotional cost beyond the sentence.
discharged him today, but early into the early evening. And I asked them if they would be okay, if the court was okay with it, if they could come in on Tuesday to present here in person. They said they're still working on getting that behavioral health information, but that the mom wasn't there when he was admitted. They're kind of giving the runaround, giving them the documentation. I could try to get a judge, but as you know, it's kind of difficult. They say HIPAA and all that stuff is involved.
All right, he's being recalled for tomorrow.
For tomorrow,
Mhm.
oh, Judge, I'm gonna be out of the office tomorrow. Is there any way we could possibly do it Monday or Tuesday? I'm gonna be here Tuesday, that way.
Well, the only problem is, I don't know. I know you're saying he's in the behavioral health clinic or behavioral center. But that's being based upon what other people are telling you.
Yes, Judge. And I know that, and the mother had provided documentation to me so that he was in the Methodist hospital as soon as January 16th.
Mhm.
So I think that's a good faith basis to believe that he's actually having these issues, Judge, and not trying to run from the court. But the mother has been extremely communicative with me.
No, I need documentation.
documentation.
Mhm.
I can try to get it, Judge.
All right, I mean,
Morning,
that,
but I
it
can't.
needs to be done today, otherwise he's being recalled for tomorrow.
Right, so tomorrow, and if I can't get the documentation and he's still there, but I don't have like something concrete in writing, can I just make that?
Are you gonna drive over and see if he's there?
I don't know
Because
if it
here's
was-
the thing. I believe that people are officers of the court,
Exactly.
but if you're telling me something that somebody else told you or a client told you and you don't have your own personal knowledge where, hey, I've seen the documentation, he's currently at the hospital, then I'm not going to take it as fact because technically it's not coming from you. It's coming from your client's mom or it's coming from your client. So if I don't have that documentation today, I won't issue a warrant today, but he'll need to come in tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, I'll do my best to have him present or at least get some documentation. I understand where the court is coming from.
Mhm.
But the background of this case is that he has a GPS monitor and the actual work release people that are supervising him have contacted the court asking to be removed because it's in and out of the hospital. So I think that is a good faith basis as well as the mom saying that she's there. But I, of course, I'll try to get the documentation, Judge, and I'll apprise the court accordingly.
All right. So if I don't have documentation today, he needs to be here tomorrow.
All right, yes, Judge, and if I have to go visit him and get it, I will.
All right. Thank you.